Good morning, you guys. Oh, I think this one is total. I hope it's sea bass. It is sea bass. It is sea bass on my homemade jig. Jesse, just caught a 18, 19 inch sea bass on my homemade jig. Woo, you guys, look. Woohoo! They're here. You don't need to be measured. Yes. See this, you guys? This is what I'm after. I haven't been catching them that much this year. Woo! Oh, it's gonna be the best day ever. I only have a window of time, like a couple hours before it getting rough. Woohoo! All right. More bait. They love crabs anyway. I mean, the small one, they like squid too. See the lake hanging like that? They love it. More bait's coming. All right.
How big is it? God. Nice.
Look at that, dude.
Nice. It's real rocky right here. Because I already hung bottom like 3 times.
Yeah.
And I lost one jig of
You know why? Because you're drifting.
I know.
That's why you get hung up.
I know.
Unless you anchor it.
I guess I could.
I'm drop it straight down so I don't drag the bottom.
Yep. That's the plan.
Let's get him. We only have like a couple hours.
Yep.
I got bite again. I hope this one's a keeper. I hope this one's a keeper. Oh no, small total. Oh, he's showing up. I just got a total, small one. Hold on. Let me let you go. You showing up now, huh? I just caught a small tatar. I think, oh, I just lost it. I think they smell the bait now.
Keep it hard.
No, small one. But at least they know.
Okay, cool.
At least they know the bait is here.
Well,
Another small one. Yep, another small talk. I hope it gets bigger. Oh, eat my squid. Really? Ow.
small ones gotta eat too. They need to grow.
Yeah. Look at this. I used the gut from cleaning the squid and I save it. bass. A lot of those guys, that's why sea bass don't have a chance to eat it. Catch one, keep a sea bass, and the wind gonna pick up. Come on, you're a keeper. You're a keeper. Another small sea bass. My battery, man. Oh, talky guy. It's not a good. It's probably 15. Any place better than my King's Beach. I want to measure this one. And the wave. Yeah. 15 3/4. Here you go. All right. Stole my bait. I want sea bass. This cut crab. I'm gonna move it.
Oh, you got fish. The other one.
Oh, damn, man.
I see you lost it, man.
I know. I've been soaked that for a while. Probably still there. Come on. Small talk. Small to talk again. Look like they're coming.
I kept catching sea bass.
talk here. no more anchor. I hope this one's a keeper. Oh, it's gotta be sea bass. It's gotta be sea bass, yes. I caught 2 of them. Oh, the squid, yes. One is a keeper, the other one's not. All right, you guys. Oh man, second keeper. Okay. Hopefully she's a keeper. Feel like a keeper. Oh man. Oh, it's not, maybe not. Oh, it's only 15, you guys. I don't want any 15. Yeah, a little less than 15. Oh, I thought it was a keeper. Oh my God. Dang, man. Man, this is crazy. Yep. Yep. With him. Jesse. No. Joe San, này hậu. Hậu lôi 1 kilo. Ta kê co hả? Ngồi vào cho cô đi.
Oh, that's a big one. I got one to talk.
Oh, I don't think I stay, man.
One to talk again. How did he do?
Nothing.
Rough outside, right?
Yeah. This day phong ngam ngõ. I think I go to my rock near the launch. How you do, Yoshi? Good.
Hey, long, your hook hooked onto my handle.
Oh shit.
It's on my handle.
Woo!
How did you do that? Shoot. It's rough today.
Not one sea bass, that's it. Yeah, a lot of small talk over there. How about you? Oh, here?
Stick around here, man.
Wow.
There's like just over the side. Not giant, not like
Yeah. Over there, small talk, small sea bass. They say 1 to 1.4 feet. This is like 5 feet. This is like 4 feet. It's crazy. I should have gone to King's, man. Jesse. Fish close to the rock. That is dangerous. Oh man. That is too dangerous, man. Too rough, man. Wow. Oh, look like this land some out here. I'm going to the launch, man. Just pick them up, Jesse. You don't need a net.